friends, this is HMS and you're watching Information with Confirmation. Today I am uploading this video on the demand and request of many students. From several days, many students are approaching our channel and requesting us to raise an issue through our channel. That is regarding the conducting of examination for first and second year students of Telangana Polytechnic students. As we all know that now the times are going tough, and the lives are going hard. In this situation, the schools and colleges will remain closed from 6 to 7 months, and the boards are now conducting examination. But according to UGC guidelines and order from the Supreme Court and High Court, the examination should be conducted only for the final year or final semester students. But here, the State Board of Technical Education and Training is going to conduct the examinations for first and second year students. There are two regular and supply exams at the same time. The major 4 questions which are raised from the students is the first thing: what to study, whether we should concentrate on our present semester online classes or we should study our previous semester for regular exams, or we should prepare for our backlog or supply exams. It's the first thing. And the second question which is raised from the students is that if Polytechnic is equal to intermediate, then why not Polytechnic students should also get passed as the intermediate students got. Intermediate failed candidates are declared as passed students, but why this discrimination for the Polytechnic students? And the third and major question which is raised by the students is, many of the students who are studying in private or government polytechnic colleges of Telangana state are living in rural areas or villages. Their native places or homes are far away from their college, and they should travel through buses or trains to appear for the exams, and they should stay in hostels. As you all know that hostels are being closed and there is no permission to reopen the hostels. If some hostels are open, the government colleges hostels have been opened also, there is a high chance of infecting from COVID-19 if the student travels from bus or train from his home to college, and there is a chance of spreading that virus in his hostel mates, roommates, or in the examination center. So there will be a lot of high risk in conducting examination in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. And the fourth and major thing, everyone knows UGC guidelines, what are the UGC guidelines and what the decision given by the Supreme Court. The examinations all should be conducted only for the final year or final semester students. But why this discrimination is being with the Telangana Polytechnic students? These questions were raised by the students, and they asked and they requested our channel to raise this issue through our channel so that the government can listen the problems of the students which are facing by them, and also the government and officials will solve this problem as soon as possible, because it's all about the lives of the students. So I hope the students will get justice and they will not be discriminated anymore. So that's all in today's video. Share this video to all your diploma or polytechnic friends so that every polytechnic student can know the correct information with confirmation. So justice for TS Polytechnic students. That's all in this video. Subscribe our channel and share this video to all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all.